In this video, we will show you how to replace your spark plug wires on this Honda Accord. These will be located along the top of your engine. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on replacing our spark plug wires. The process for one is the same for each. We'll start down towards the driver's side here. This is going to be the longest spark plug wire. Go ahead and take hold of that spark plug wire, give it a little twist, and lift it up and away. Once you have that off of there, you want to give it a close inspection. Also take a peek inside the port to inspect the spark plug. You can use a flashlight if necessary. We'll continue down the line. You're going to find that you have several mounting points. Carefully pull it out of place. Now you'll make your way over to the distributor cap. Once again, taking hold of the spark plug wire, you just want to give it a little twist and pull it away. There it is, friend. We'll just give this area a quick wipe and an inspection. Double check, make sure you don't see any corrosion. As for the port leading into the engine, for this, you want to make sure there's no debris in here, but also, if you happen to see engine oil in there, that means that your valve cover gasket's no good, and you want to make sure you replace that. Doesn't make any sense putting in brand new wires with an oil leak. Let's have a close look at our spark plug wires. You're going to find that your kit came with 5 of them. One of them is considerably shorter than all others. This one is considered your coil wire. We'll set this one aside for now. Since we're doing the spark plug wire that's located all the way towards the driver's side of the engine, we'll be looking for the longest spark plug wire. You can see this one comes down a lot further than all others. Now it's time to install our brand new spark plug wire. We'll take a little bit of dielectric grease and coat each end of the spark plug wire. Now we can start installing the spark plug wire. We'll start down at the distributor cap here. You want to take this and press it in as far as you can. Double check to make sure it's completely secured in place. Listen for an audible click, give it a tug. Now we'll pivot this and align it with each one of its mounting points. Continue making our way across the top of the valve cover here. At the far end, we'll slide this into the port onto the spark plug. Press it down as far as you can, give it a little twist, double check to make sure that's secured so no moisture or debris makes its way inside this port. That can cause an issue. Continue on with the process for each and every one of your spark plug wires. This one's going to be the second longest. Now it's time for the coil wire. That one makes its way all the way to the ignition coil right back here. Okay friend, we finished our installation. At this point, let's just give this one last quick confirmation to ensure that everything is completely secured along the distributor cap and along the coil and each one of the spark plugs. Aside from that, you also want to make sure that the wires are not crossing over each other. That can cause interference and cause a running issue. After you've confirmed all that, go ahead and start up your vehicle, let it run for a little while, get up to normal operating temperature, make sure there's no running condition, no check engine light, and take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.